So what's the challenge of a truly connected world? So our vision is that we want to make your IoT solution to be built up easy and flat. So for example, within 5 minutes, you can connect your device and you have access, you can consume the data of your device, and you could even send operations to your device. Within less than 10 minutes, with our powerful UIs, we provide you dashboarding to visualize the measurements, the data coming from your device. And we provide you with so-called smart rules so that you can easily set up your business rules to monitor your device. And within less than 10 minutes, we provide you to integrate with other systems, with other applications running in your organization. You can easily integrate with your enterprises, you can integrate with your operation technology systems, and you can integrate with other cloud services. Within less than 30 minutes, you can build and deploy custom applications in order to enlarge the Cumulosity IoT platform to drive your business value. So what are the key differentiators of the Cumulosity IoT platform? So first of all, Cumulosity is very strong to provide rapid self-service functionalities. So with the powerful UIs, subject matter expert can monitor their devices. There is no need to do some coding. So it's really powerful. As an example, Gartner Denver is monitoring a number of air compressors for their customers around the world. So Cumulosity is open and independent, so it provides you with a flexible way to grow without vendor lock-in. So you have the freedom to choose your infrastructure, your devices, and your enterprise apps. As an example, we talk about this later on in the use cases. We have Adamos as a joint venture where a number of machine manufacturers bring their knowledge together, and they have set up their own platform for other vendors, and then they have a good use case which then they can use for their own company. And we have distributed architecture, so we have a very flexible deployment options. So it's available on edge, it's available on cloud and on premise. So you can collect your data wherever it's needed in your use case, and then you can use the broker feature in order to bring the data you need to one cloud system. But you can also do all the same analytics on edge, because all the different systems are all sharing, are all based on one common API collection, which is provided by Cumulosity. So this is what is used in the whole platform. This screen shows a simplified way of the different components in the end-to-end solution. An IoT platform is a set of software services that monitor, control, optimize, and manage various types of IoT endpoints. This is what you see on the left-hand side. This happens via IoT applications developed, integrated, and deployed on top of the IoT platform. And this is what you see on the right-hand side. The Cumulosity IoT platform started in the cloud, meaning the idea was to directly connect from the cloud to the operation technology endpoints, either directly or through a gateway. This is what we see in the middle. And this is solved by a long-range communication. The cloud platform would then store the data and do the integration to the backend systems and provide the value everybody is looking for. However, IoT architectures are decentral by nature, and for many use cases, central data processing in the cloud can become an issue for several reasons. So first of all, high volumes of data being transferred to the cloud for processing can sum up to substantial costs. Secondly, for time-critical use cases, for example, process monitoring, the delay introduced by sending data to the cloud and back can be a showstopper. And another one is the connectivity. So connectivity issues can lead to downtimes, which also can be a showstopper for some use cases. With the Cumulosity IoT Edge, we have found a solution for these use cases. The Cumulosity Edge brings most of the capabilities of the cloud platform and is very easy to install on-premise. The architecture is identical to the cloud platform architecture, with the benefit that the same applications and streaming processing rules can be deployed. So here we have a huge difference to most competitors who rather bring a developer framework for building edge solutions without any built-in functionality. So in summary, we could say Cumulosity provides a truly distributed architecture which is supporting you in the following business challenges. So for creating IoT solutions for smarter products and higher value services. You have support for the fast delivery value of IoT solutions, so you can start small and scale in interactions. We have a support for balancing risk and innovation, so you leverage new technologies but you stay open and flexible.
If you like the video and want to see more learning content, please visit the link down in the description below. After registration, you can access the Cumulosity IoT learning material, which is free of charge.